In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have two accounts in Monopoly Go. This process is straightforward and will allow you to enjoy playing with two separate accounts, providing you with a richer experience in the game. So, let's dive right in. First, we're going to use an application called BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator. If you haven't already installed it, you can find it by doing a quick search online and following the installation instructions for your operating system. Once you have BlueStacks up and running, the fun begins. Open BlueStacks on your device and look for the Multi-Instance Manager feature. This is a powerful tool that lets you create more than one version of BlueStacks on your computer. Navigate to the Multi-Instance Manager. Within this tool, you'll notice an option to create a new instance. Click on that and wait a moment as your computer prepares the separate environment for a brand new BlueStacks instance. This new setup will work independently from the first, allowing us to install Monopoly Go again for a second account. Now let's move on to installing Monopoly Go on this second instance. Open the newly created emulator instance. It will look much like your original BlueStacks screen, but it acts as a separate device entirely. And head over to the Play Store, just like you did for the first account. Search for Monopoly Go and download it once more. The Play Store might ask you to sign in again, and this is crucial because you'll need to log in using a different Google or Apple ID to maintain two separate accounts. If you don't already have a second account, now's the perfect time to create one. It's a quick process and ensures you can toggle between your gaming accounts smoothly. With the game installed on your second instance, you're now ready to play with two different Monopoly Go accounts. Jump into the game and roll those dice. You'll see your token move across the board as usual. The real magic happens when you switch between instances. BlueStacks makes it easy to toggle between the two accounts simply by switching instances. This feature gives you the ability to answer moves, tackle challenges, and manage properties on both accounts, enhancing your Monopoly Go experience immensely. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to enjoy Monopoly Go with two separate accounts using BlueStacks and its multi-instance manager. This setup not only enriches your gameplay, but also adds the satisfaction of managing and strategizing for two different games. Have fun rolling those dice, and may the best tycoon win.